To swaddle or not to swaddle? One of the most controversial topics. I have seen lots of heated Instagram debates on this one. I'm Kelsey, pediatric physical therapist, founder of Compleo, and I'm going to walk you through my take on swaddling. So I land in the middle. There are pros and cons of both. So swaddling, the reason we do it is to help with that startle reflex. So a lot of times, when you lay your baby down after they've been taking a great nap in your arms and you're like, I'm just going to try to lay them down. And then they startle and their arms go up in the air in like the touchdown position and they wake up. So the swaddle can help with that startle reflex, so it can help extend sleep. Some people say it mimics the womb. They feel a little more cocooned. From a sensory input, the deep pressure that the swaddle can provide a calming pressure and a calming presence. And then arguments against the swaddle, people are going to say, well, we're really putting off that integration of the startle reflex. So an integration of a reflex, what that means is our body starts to integrate that so that it is no longer present and no longer affects us. So it serves a purpose. Once we get a certain age, we no longer need that and our body integrates it. So if you are not swaddling, they might integrate that reflex sooner. They may start to naturally get rid of that startle reflex. That's not something we want them to have forever. And so I hate to tell you that I am not picking a side here, but I've landed in the middle. We are swaddling at night and it does get us a little bit longer stretches of sleep, but during the day, especially second kid, he's going to have to be able to nap on the go, right? We nap on the way to school pickup, sports. It's very unrealistic for us to think he is going to nap swaddled with a sound machine for all of his naps in our busy life. And so we have not been swaddling during the day, but have been at night. We have found for him, sometimes he sleeps a little bit better when he's not swaddled during the day. And so also just read your baby like anything else. So some babies really love the swaddle. And so you might need to do that to get the sleep that they need. Sleep is the most important thing for their development. Or they may sleep better without it. And then that's really nice because if they fall asleep in your arms, you can just lay them down and walk away for nap time. So I would love to know if you prefer swaddling or not swaddling. Comment below if you are pro or con on your swaddles. And we would love to chat about that.